today's topic is creating filter tables. We can use count functions with some other functions in DAX, namely calculate table as well as filters. In this video, we have used In previous video, we have used card visuals for a measure which made use of count rows function. Here, this count rows. Just as a quick reminder, count rows allows count rows in a given table. Now, what if you want to filter a table based on the contents of one of its column? Well, this is something which can be done by making use of calculated table function. To see how that works, let's go ahead and create another measure. And this is a measure which used to count the number of customers who are located in the country of Germany. So we give their name. What we will do, we will just go create a new measure and window of creating measure will pop out. So we give the name count of all German customer and we will perform this count by creating a table which only contain all of the customer where the country is equal to Germany and then counting the number of rows of that table. So how we will write it? First we will give it name of count of all German customers. What we will do, we will use function of count rows. We will see there are various functions here which we can use according to requirement, but we are using now count rows. Within count rows, we use another function calculate table. See, this is a function calculate table. In calculate table, we can see there is expression for a table and multiple filter expression we can use here. So our goal is to filter through those customers whether country is equal to Germany. So this is where we look for these rows with the where country is Germany. So what we can do, we just use one filter here, but if we really required, we can use multiple filters here. This is the beauty of calculate table expression. So calculate table, and what is the name of table which we want to give here? We want to give here name of customer table. And on that customer table, what expression we want to use? We want to use for customer table country should be Germany. Then we will use this and country is equal to within semicolon we will put Germany. So we can see we are using two DAX functions together, count rows and calculate table, and even filter there. So where the country is Germany, now we have made use of calculate function before and you may recognize that it looks quite similar to it. In fact, calculate table and calculate are quite similar, except calculate return a single scalar values while calculate table returns a table. In this case, the table will contain all of those rows in original customer table where the customer's city is equal to Germany. So what we did here, we calculate a table where country is Germany and then we applied where country is Germany and then we apply count rows function on it. Okay, understand this. First we apply calculate table where customer country Germany and then we applied count rows in that table. This will give us count of all German customers. Alright, then to create this measure, let's just hit enter. Under the fields menu, you will see The another customer table count of all German will show up. So count of all German customer is here. Now it's time for to view the German customers. So we repeat the steps which we gone through few times already. What we will do, we will just adjust this to here and we will click here and yes, no, we are not preparing for QA. We will simply click on card. So a card placeholder will take a place and the fields will be here. So now count of all German customers will be, how we can find it. We just drag and drop this value to the fields menu. We can see there are total 278 customers. And in this case of our table, total customer is, we can see total customer is 278. Then we have idea how to use calculate table function, and we will see that it allows us to filter on the existing table. More precisely, it allows us to apply a filter context on a table, another DEX function, which allows us to specify a filter over a table. Is simply called filter, which we have used here. And now we will use that in order to create same table in German customers, as we did it just a little earlier with calculate table. However, we will use that table to perform another operation well to demonstrate that. Let's head over and create a new measure. Click here on new measure. A new measure window will be pop out, and we can create a new measure for count of German customers with non-null city. So we require a table which filter the customer table, because table we need to filter where customer of country is Germany, and what we need to do, require filter, and then on filter table we need to apply count ax function. So count of German customers with non no city equal to, we can see here we have various kind of count function. Here we are already familiar with count a. Now we will use count ax function because we really need to apply filter. And count ax counts the number of values which results from evaluation and expression for each row of a table. So what we will do, we will use filter here, filter table. So we will put filter customer customer country should be equal to Germany. And it should return customer city. So this filter, this one function is similar to calculate table. However, with significant difference, in calculate table function there is multiple filter expression with we can apply. So in this case there is only one, but for purpose it is more than enough. This is entire expression. And what we will do here, it will return the values of customer city. So its entire expression we will use. So let's quickly take a look as was what exactly accomplished. So first count x function, the first argument is a table which is created by making use of filter function. The first argument in filter is the table on which the filter is applied. So there is a customer table and then we have an expression to define the filter. We have an expression to define the filter. In our case, we have entered the country is equal to Germany. In our case, we have returned the value of 278. Customers from customer table from the country of Germany. So this is a table of German customers created on flies, and this table makes the first argument count AX. So the second argument well can be some expression, but you can also point to some specific column over which count A operation will be applied. So by passing along city column of customer combined with filter, we will effectively count the number of German customer for whom the city column is non-blank. Let's just hit enter. As we hit enter, there is a measure will be created, and I am just going to drag and drop count of the German customer to non-null city. What we'll do, we just drag and drop it here. We will see it's 277. Previously it was 278 and it's changed to 277, pointing to the fact that there was a single German customer who had a blank value for city where you have it. We have now successfully made use of calculate table, filter as well as count AX function. We have seen how calculate table and filter can both be used to create table for fly, and now these can be used in conjunction with count function or count AX function. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.